Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
That's strong. Boy. Brother. What's your man? Lord be God.
Stay tuned, that's true. Granny James official on YouTube. Like, comment, leave your view, and make sure you subscribe too.
Remember, subscribe, guys.
What's up, everybody? What's good? Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you aren't, welcome back, no man. Yes, guys, it's your boy Granny James official, and we're there with the next video. And we're there today with your boy
Classic.
Yeah, we're on Classic. I run it off again today. So as you see, I titled down below. Today we're there with a speedy drinking challenge. So why the sense we would do a eating challenge, speedy eating challenge, and I do a drinking challenge. So this I got bad today as well. So just stay tuned, guys, for this, cause this I got fiery.
Okay.
So before I get over night, still, we just ask you please and thanks. Follow me on Instagram at chronic_James. Yeah. Also, if you haven't subscribed as yet, why you wait upon? Why you watch the video and you not subscribe? Subscribe now, no, please and thanks. Support the move, please. Yeah, guys. And also, like, comment, share. Talk up now?
Share.
Share.
Yeah.
Say share it.
Share it.
You know I'm talking to people that don't have device. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video, cause this will go epic. Yeah, guys. So yeah, we didn't even talk too much. We don't say nothing more. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Yeah, guys. So we're there now. See settings. We have 2 Pepsi and we have 2 ginger beer. So one for him, one for me. Yeah, guys. So I could pull them off, cause if any man use them teeth to pull off the cock, a professional teeth that Hallelujah, Jesus! Professional teeth that so I could pull them here now. Yeah, and alright, so you can drink anyone first, guys. So I don't know. So ready and now. So 1, 2, 3, go. I'm weak.
No, man.
That's your this. There you go.
Oui.
Let me save my life. Jesus. What?
Go over and subscribe, guys.
Wow.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
That's strong. Boy.
Brother.
What's your man? Lord be God.
You serious?
Lord be God, choking.
What?
Hey. Again,
Come
ain't
like
go
when
for
I
they
go-
don't like me, you know?
This come like when you go beach. Water get up in your nose.
They gonna find a killer like me.
Alright guys,
Champion.
so now sir, my head feel away. Brother.
Why?
No, brother.
So guys, hope you did like this video. See your winner. Look at my sweat. Look at my sweat.
Hey.
So
I
your
check
boy
line,
classic win today guys. So you know say me a sore loser today again. But there has to be a winner.
Yeah, what that?
And this is your boy. Yeah guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment,
subscribe.
and share. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And turn on the post notification bell. So just make you know where your views from these people. Peace.
Granny James official on YouTube. Granny James official on YouTube.